Yes, sir. Under the law, Constitution of Nigeria, a 18 years old can get married without the consent of my mom. A 18 years old can
without
get
the
married.
consent of your mom.
A 18 years old can get married under the Constitution of Nigeria.
Torí àwọn ọmọ kan wà tí wọ́n dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó ń kó òbí síta gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ. Ǹjẹ́ ó yẹ kí a bímọ kí ọmọ náà wá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí alátakò fún òbí tó bí jáde láti inú ara wọn? Irú ìwà yìí kò bójúmu rárá. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀kọ́ wo gan ni àwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí gan tí wọ́n ń rí kọ́ lára àwa tí a jẹ́ òbí gangan? Àgàgà àwa obìnrin. Bí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ńgbà míì, ó máa ń ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ wípé bóyá òbí kọ bàbá sílẹ̀ ni o, àbí bàbá rìnrìn àjò àrèmábọ̀. Bóyá ìyá àti bàbá wọn ò jọ gbé pọ̀ ni, àbí kó jẹ́ wípé ìyá kọ bàbá sílẹ̀ àbí bàbá kọ ìyá sílẹ̀. Nídàkejì ká wò wípé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí oníwájú kó kẹ́yìn, má jẹ́ kẹ́lẹ́yìn kó ṣíwájú. Bóyá ìkan ó ṣaláìsí nínú àwọn méjèèjì. Tó bá wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ìhà wo gan ni àwọn òbí àwa tí a jẹ́ ọkọ àti ìyàwó gangan tí wọ́n kọ sí ara àwọn méjèèjì? Ìhà wo ni ìyàwó kọ sí àwọn òbí ọkọ? Ìhà wo ni ọkọ kọ sí àwọn òbí ìyàwó? Báwo ni fámílì méjèèjì yìí, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe rí síra wọn? Mo rò pé ó máa ń farahàn lára àwọn ọmọ nígbà míì. Ẹ wo ètò bàbá wa Oriyomi tí a gbé wá yìí lórí Kọ́kọ́rọ́ Alátẹ. A ó rí nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọbìnrin yìí tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ yìí. Òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀yà míì ni ọkọ ti wá. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni ọmọ tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yìí, ṣùgbọ́n kò ní bàbá mọ́. Kí ni ohun tó fẹ́ jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ gidi lára ètò yìí gangan? Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bẹ́tò yìí lọ. Yes ma. Ǹjẹ́ ta lè wá sórí ètò yìí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
Kí lẹ sọ ńjọ́ yẹn?
Mo sọ ńjọ́ yẹn pé ọmọ tí ń jẹ́ Emmanuel tó jókòó sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ mi pé ó fún ọmọ mi ní oyún. Kò dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n rí ọmọ yẹn bá sọ̀rọ̀ láti ìgbà yẹn. Tí mo bá ti pe ọmọ, á máa bú mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni Emmanuel, òun náà máa bú mi. Débi pé ní skul tí ọmọ wà ní Ọ̀yọ́, ó ti mú ọmọ kúrò ní skul. Kó tó di pé ó mú ọmọ kúrò ní skul, August 15 ni òun pẹ̀lú àbúrò rẹ̀ ni wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ POS ní Apẹtẹ. Bó ṣe di October bí ọmọ mi ṣe pè mí nìyẹn pé mọ́mí òun fẹ́ kúrò nídìí POS, òun ti rí bòmí tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe 70,000. Mo ní rárá, pé ṣàdúró síbẹ̀ yẹn. Ìgbà tó máa di October ending ló bá ní mọ́mí òun fẹ́ ṣe wedding tó bá ti di 2025 ní March. Pé tó bá di March 2025 pé òun fẹ́ ṣe wedding. Mo ṣe ní láíláí, ó lọ sí skul tó fẹ́ lọ mọ́ ni. Báwo ló ṣe máa ṣe wedding ní táìmù tí o fẹ́ wọ skul? Ọba ní láti ilé ọkọ lòun ti máa lọ sí skul. Mo bá ní kò ṣeé ṣe yẹn, ò kí ń kó irin méjì ìbọn náà. Mo sáré sọ yẹn àti bí mo ṣe ń sọ, mo bá ní òkè ta ni ẹnìyẹn jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Ló bá dárúkọ rẹ̀ pé Ìmá, pé ọmọ Ìbò. Mo bá ní kí dádì yẹn ó tó kú kí ni wọ́n sọ fún yín páwọn ò fẹ́. Kí ló dé tó fi máa pa àṣẹ dádì ẹ̀dá pé for now kò tiẹ̀ sí ohun tó jọ, skul tó fẹ́ lọ náà ni kò kọrí sí.
Dádì wọn sọ pé àwọn ò fẹ́ kán tó kú.
Pé àwọn ò fẹ́, pé kí wọ́n fẹ́ ọmọ Ìbò.
Okay.
Mo ní o ò lè pa ìlànà dádì ẹ̀dá. For now skul tó fẹ́ lọ òun ni kò kọjú sí, kò lọ sí skul. Ìyẹn lọ bọ́kàn ṣe di November first week bí mo ṣe wá rí fóònù ní end of October, mo wá rí fóònù ní ọwọ́ ọmọ mi ní òru. Kò dẹ̀ ní big phone mọ́, big phone yẹn ti bàjẹ́. Chatting tí mo máa rí báyìí tó ń chat, mo kàn rí pé Ìmá ló bá ń sọ fún ọmọ mi pé ó ti above 18 years, pé àwọn family rẹ̀ ò láìkì rẹ̀. Wáyé tí wọ́n fi máa decide fún ẹ, ó ti above, lè ṣe ohun tó bá wù ẹ́. Come what may, àwọn lè gbéra wọn sá lọ sí káwọn kúrò ní Ìbàdàn. Bó ṣe di November 1 yẹn, bó ṣe pé àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ pé nǹkan báyìí ni mo rí o níbi chatting ọmọ yìí o. Àwọn yẹn bá ní pé kí n lọ sí police station. Mo ṣe gba police station lọ nìyẹn pé ọmọ Ìmá lòun fẹ́ gbé ọmọ mi sá lọ. Bí police station dẹ̀ ní àwọn méjèèjì yẹn, that is November 2, 2024, wọ́n dẹ̀ separate àwọn méjèèjì pé kí wọ́n máa lọ. Ìgbà tó máa di November ending, a rí i pé ọmọ ti lóyún. So ọmọ ti lóyún títí tí ọmọ fi mo sọ fún wọn pé mi ò ní sọ fún màá mi ò ní jẹ́ kó mọ̀ títí tí ọmọ fi kúrò ní Ìbàdàn. That was January 2025. Ó di on the 6th ni mo pe ìmá, mo ti sọ pé mi ò ní sọ fún ìgbà mi yẹn ní láéláé pé kò ṣeé ṣe. So mo wá bá ṣe dé Ọ̀yọ́, torí Ọ̀yọ́ University of Education ni ọmọ rí admission sí. Nígbà tó di January 6 yẹn a pe ìmá, ọmọ yìí náà mo ní kó pè pé nǹkan táwọn jọ ṣe ó ti di oyún o. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ pé ó ní kó má wọ̀ọ́rì, à ń bá eré àníyàn bọ̀ ní that was January nígbà tó di January 2023 ọmọ yìí wá sí graduation, ó wá sí graduation iṣẹ́ tó kọ́ fashion designer, òun ní iṣẹ́ tó kọ́ níjọ́ yẹn. Ìmá ó gbé ọmọ yìí lọ, àjọ pàdé ní Queen Cinema, ó dẹ̀ gbé ọmọ yìí lọ, wọ́n lọ ṣe tẹ́ẹ̀sì, wọ́n ṣe tẹ́ẹ̀sì, ó rí i pé oyún wà ń bẹ̀ ní òtítọ́. Ọmọ padà sí school nígbà tó máa di February 14. So àwọn àbúrò mi tó wà ní Ọ̀yọ́ pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ̀ wọ́n ń pè mí pé kí n jẹ́ kí ọmọ yìí kó máa take care ọmọ, kí n fi ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀, kí n jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa pera wọn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi náà sọ pé kí n jẹ́ kó máa pera wọn pé ọmọ ti wọ̀ ó ti wọ̀ ọ́ ná. Mo sáfà kọrí pé àníṣe bọ̀ tí ń gbà tẹ́bẹ̀ pọ̀ mo gbà ní on the 14 yẹn èmi àti àgbéra àjọ lọ sí Ọ̀yọ́. Ní Ọ̀yọ́ tá a jọ lọ yẹn picture tí mo lò ní ìjẹta yẹn ibẹ̀ mo ti rí picture yẹn yà ní ọjọ́ náà. Nígbà tá a kúrò ní ibẹ̀ àjọ wálé àjọ padà sí ilé, èmi ń lọ sí láti Ọ̀yọ́ a separate. Láti ìgbà yẹn náà ó máa ń wá. Nígbà tí a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àjọ, ó wá sọ fún mi pé àfẹ́fọ́ sọ pé àwọn ń dá àjọ, mo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé a máa ń dá àjọ, mo ní àti ẹ̀ tí wàá dá, mo ní 3 la máa dá ní Sunday, that was Friday, mo ní Sunday yìí ló máa di 3, ó lóun máa join, ó dẹ̀ join àjọ yẹn. Nígbà tí tó sẹ́ndì owó sí mi, mo wá rí abeng Johnson Donatus nínú orúkọ tó sẹ́ndì. Mo wá pe ọmọ mi pé ṣebí ìmá ló sọ pé ọmọ yìí ń jẹ́ kí ni ìtumọ̀ abeng Johnson Donatus tó jáde nínú orúkọ.
Abeng Johnson Donatus.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ní abeng yẹn náà ló ń jẹ́ ìmá. Meanwhile mo ṣàdákẹ́, ọmọ yìí wá sí ibi iṣẹ́ mi, mo wá ní nínú orúkọ tó sẹ́ndì sí mi tí mo rí ìmá ò sí inú orúkọ rẹ̀, ìmá ló dẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́, báwo ló ṣe jẹ́. Ọba ó ṣàlàyé pé àwọn ìyá òun àti bàbá òun ti kú pé ibi tí òun ń gbé àwọn ló sọ òun ní orúkọ yẹn. Mo wá pe ọmọ mi padà pé ó wádìí ọmọ yìí wò sí bí wọ́n sọ pé abẹ́ǹkì náà ló ń jẹ́ ìmá, ìyẹn tún lọ sọ ọmọ yìí sátún wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù bíi ijọ́ kẹta. Nínú wíwá rẹ̀, nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ń sọ, ó ní pé àwọn ará ṣọ́ọ̀bù òun ò kí ń bá wọn, àwọn tó wà ní Naba òun ò kí ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Mo di ìyẹn mú. Lẹ́yìn náà àwọn kó tó di pé ó ń wá yẹn, ó ti pè bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta different number ló fi ń pè mí. Àwọn different number tó fi ń pè mí yẹn máa ní àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọ yìí, torí ọmọ yìí ní ẹ̀gbọ́n méjì síwájú, ẹ bá mi wo orúkọ yìí. Omi àtúgbé àìsíkò wò jáde, omi àtúgbé Luke Donald, ó ṣàjẹ́ different name. Èwo la fẹ́ gbàgbọ́ nu orúkọ ọmọ yìí. Màá ṣàtúnkẹ́ ọmọ mi pé orúkọ tí ó ń gbé jáde different name lọmọ yìí ń jẹ́ ìwò gangan ni, mi ò dẹ̀ tí ì rí ìmánu gbogbo orúkọ tó ń gbé jáde yìí. Àṣà tó ń bá eré àníyàn lọ. Lẹ́yìn náà ó tún wá níjọ́ kan fóònù rẹ̀ fọ́, mo ní fóònù rẹ̀ mà ti fọ́. Ọba ní ẹ̀gbọ́n òun kan ló fọ́ fóònù pé wọ́n sọ pé òun ti fún ọmọ ní oyún, kódà òun dìde òun fẹ́ gbá wọn létí báyìí, òun kẹ̀ tún ru ọwọ́ ni. Mo sátúmú yàn náà mọ́wọ́, mo wá pe ọmọ mi pé níbi tó fẹ́ torí bọ̀ yìí sọ́ra rẹ̀ gidigidi o, sọ́ra rẹ̀. Meanwhile ní November 2 yẹn tá a dẹ̀ gbé ọmọ yìí lọ sí police station, ó text message, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe voice note, ó bú mi, ó bú ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọ méjèèjì tọmọ yìí ní, àbúrò tó tún tẹ̀lé òun, gbogbo wa ló bú lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó dẹ̀ text message sí, tó bú wa lẹ́yọ ìyẹn ìmá, gbogbo wa ló bú lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ní November 2 tá a gbé lọ sí police station yẹn. Mo wá padà síbẹ̀, mo ní inú ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo tún gbọ́ tí ọmọ yìí ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ pé òun fẹ́ na ẹ̀gbọ́n òun kẹ̀tún rowọ́ sí pé níbi tó fẹ́ torí bọ̀ yìí ọmọ ta àti ìfọ̀fun tó ti bú gbogbo wa yìí pé nǹkan yìí ó máa léwu. Ìyẹn tún lọ nígbà tí
mama aero time illustrate.
So asamba eré àníyàn lọ láti 2.
ẹ mọ̀ bèrè àníyàn kankan.
Okay, 2 weeks láti 14 láti on the 14 yẹn títí wọ March 1. So bí ọ̀rọ̀ àjọ ti wá wọ̀ nìyẹn, wọ́n ní àwọn fẹ́ gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ àjọ ó wọ̀.
ẹ má wọrí kí ni ẹ fẹ́ báyìí.
Okay, ohun tí mo fẹ́ ni pé mi ò fa ọmọ fún un.
torí ẹ ti fọ ọmọ fún un.
mi ò fọmọ fún un.
nígbà ìjẹta tẹ wá bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ̀rúrú ẹjọ́ báyìí náà ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́jọ́ tẹ ẹ̀rú náà.
Torí pé òsì mi báyìí ni ò jẹ́ kí n rò níjẹta yẹn.
torí pé kò sí bí lọ́jọ́ ẹ parọ́ mọ́.
Àmì ò parọ́ mọ́ ta.
ẹjọ́ yìí ti change why.
Mi ò parọ́ mọ́ ta, bẹ́ẹ̀jọ́ ṣe rí kò sí mi báyìí ni ò jẹ́ kí n rojọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀jọ́ ṣe rí ni mò ń sọ sa.
So if you speak Yoruba, you cannot buttress on the necessary points.
Kind of contradicting, sir. o lè máa parọ́ mọ́ra rẹ̀.
No, kì í ṣe pé kí n parọ́ mo I might not I won't pronounce it very well like
Okay,
the way I want it.
fine. Now that you want to express yourself in English, you have to speak true language. You speak that your English and you speak the Yoruba the way you can speak it.
All right, sir.
So that whenever I see that you have shoot yourself with Yoruba,
Okay.
I will call you back and help you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
Ẹ ṣé. Orúkọ mi ni Emmanuel. Orúkọ mi ni Emmanuel. So last week wọ́n pè mí láti Agídìgbò pé kí n má bọ̀ l'Agídìgbò. No, upper last week wọ́n pè mí. So when I was called, we had an agreement that they should reach out to me the following day. I wanted to call. They said the line they called me would happens to be an office line. That if I should call the number, someone else might pick the call, and it would be strange to the person to speak with me based on what is on grant. I said, okay, no problem. And the last thing I could see was a letter at my shop at Akpete, a letter from Agídìgbò, and I tried to comply with the letter, which I came. That was last week Tuesday. And why I came yesterday, that last week Tuesday,
Okay.
I met with some women's committee where we had a table to talk. So ngbà tá wá ń sọ̀rọ̀, ó wá ṣàlàyé. Though we are giving just few time. Mọ́mí Mrs. Oyewole, Oyenike, ó ṣàlàyé tiẹ̀, èmi náà ṣàlàyé tèmi. And inú gbogbo tá a ṣàlàyé sá, mo ṣà ibi tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó fún, mo jẹ́ kó yé wọn because ẹjọ́ tó ń gbé ká ni pé I went to the daughter's school, which is Miss Favour, and take custody of her daughter without her infantry.
Okay.
And why I was explaining how everything went, they asked her some questions here at Agídìgbò, and then she confesses. Then after her confession, these women were able to confront her that, why are you not saying he took custody of your daughter without her? So now, as I continue, last 2 years, being 2024, I met with Miss Favour Oyewole, being the daughter of Mrs. Iyabode Oyenike Oyewole, at the main route. Why it was said, I will just summarize, sir, maybe because of the time.
Thank you.
So, she was down, and I took her to a pharmacy where she got drugged. That was how we became friends. Why I never wanted to do anything with her on the backside, I told her secretly. I never wanted to have a secret affair with her. I asked her, go and tell you. I asked her about her dad. She said her dad is late. How about your mom? She said her mom is still alive by God's grace. I said, now kindly go to your mom. Tell her that you will find someone who is interested of you. She said no, she cannot go. I said, good, if you cannot go, I will end up everything with you, which she eventually went. And when she got there, and she just called me one day and said her mom disagreed. I said, okay, fine, go away. Before then, after then, rather, I was called at Iyagokun police station. Ipe mo sọ pé ìyá wọn ló pè mí pé àwọn ò fẹ́ èmi àti ọmọ wọn mọ́. Ẹ bá sọ fún mi, kò yẹ kẹ́ gbé mi wá sí ilé ọlọ́pàá, mi kì í lọ sí ilé ọlọ́pàá nígbà tó ní ká sáà lọ. Ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀ wá bi ọmọ yẹn léèrè àti èmi àti òun àti ọlọ́pàá náà ní Iyagokun àjọ wa ń bẹ̀. Are you pregnant? Ọmọ wọn ní rárá o pé àwọn pregnant. Wọ́n ṣáà we made sure we are separated. We parted ways, sir. For like nearly 4 months of this incident, I was called back by her same mom that her daughter is pregnant. Against the initial this thing at the police station, she said she was not pregnant, of which I have every reason to have denied her that I don't know you. So, but being I just like, let me just accept her. I accepted her, and she told me.
Did you meet with her after the?
Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all. I accepted her. It was before the police issue, but she said she wasn't pregnant. I accepted her because especially when she called, she was crying. Her mom, this same mom, was pleading with me to please accept the daughter. And after she ended the call, I have to put a call through to the policeman, the man that separated us. Pé wá ìyá ọmọ yín máa pè mí pé pa ó ní kò yẹ kó pè ẹ́ that you should have come down to the police station pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níjọ́ yẹn ọmọ yín máa ti lóyún. Probably if it is necessary they will not be the one to invite me. And he said, and so for that, Sheri the girl said he was not pregnant. Definitely, you might not be the owner of the pregnancy. The policeman is still alive. He's still there at Iyagokun. I said, but among all, I have to accept her. Number one, sincerely, I loved her. Whatever Mrs. Oyewole have said, sir, with all due respect, is a lie. I was not here the last time she came, and like you, I thank God you confronted her that her words are different, are contradicting. The last time she came, she said something else. Today she's saying something else entirely. After nearly 4 months of separation, she came back with pregnancy and accepted this lady. And ever since then, sir, her school, everything, I have been the one sponsoring this girl, and I have every evidence to prove everything that I'm saying right now. Her school, everything. Even as I speak to you this very year, her institution fee this year has been paid by me. She is here. She can attest. She can attest to what I'm saying. Her school, everything. She went further. Ọya kí ni mbolomo yín wà ńgbà yẹn ńgbà tẹ́ ti bẹ̀ mí pé kí n bá yẹn gbé ọmọ ó ní ó ti wà lọ́yọ̀ọ́ school. Before then I already gave the daughter money. I gave the daughter 150,000 naira. Here, before to separate because she was telling me that she was processing admission. Then it was Mrs. Oyewole, the mother of Miss Favour Oyewole, that took me to where Favour is staying at Oyo. And while we get there, he have to reconcile us together. Pé wow, this is your husband. She even told me that her school, everything now depend on me. And ever since then, I am saying this with all respect and fact. The neighbors can attest to this, sir. I make sure she does not sweep on her own. Even though the pregnancy was about 4 or 5 after I conducted the test, and I make sure she does not sweep. I have someone who comes to her house, sweep her house. I paid this set of people. She doesn't fetch water. I got her an umbrella. Money to ban lọ sí school lo mi ìfẹ́ kó òrùn pa. Omi tó mu gan mi ìfẹ́ kó máa mu òrùn lé. I make sure I get her bottled water. I already start her. I have evidence of everything I'm saying. At the hospital, they knows me. We went there together. When I was about registering her, everything was done successfully. While we were coming back, I was not the one that said there's anything that I call Ajo. It was Mommy Favour, Ms. Oyewole, Oyenike Yabode. They lured me into Ajo. But she did Ojo. I was the one that paid the ticket down to Oyo, both to and fro. I gave her money, but she did Ojo. Only ngbata ti sọ pé a fẹ́ fẹ́ ra wa pé ó lájọ ọkọ táwọn dá ó fẹ́ kí mi náà kájọ máa dá. Money, I will pray about it, which I did, sir. And after then, I went back to her and said, sorry, God said I should not proceed. Kilode, he was trying, I'm having some endowment on her. Let me start it. Even before I proceeded, it was about 3 weeks thereof later. And I started. And I even told the daughter that God said I should not. The daughter said the same thing. I never knew that both the mother and the daughter, they were having some, that like they conspire together, they have a meeting of, funding money from me. The daughter is here as I speak to you. She can attest to this. Now, if a question may be, how do I know this? I knew this through their chatting. I have all the record of their chatting, sincerely speaking, and I've given everything to my lawyer. I have been respecting the fact that she's a mother. If not, all the everything. Last time she made a broadcast against me, she made a broadcast of taking ownership of her daughter without her infantry. This is the same woman who fixed a wedding between I and her daughter. Yes, sir. She fixed a wedding between I and her daughter, and when they asked her when she came, sir, here to Agidigbo, this women committee, they asked her, she confessed that it is true, and that was why they blame her. That why are you not saying he took custody of your daughter? She only comes to my place on weekends. This issue has been to National Human Rights Commission. This issue has been to several police stations, both here at Oyo there. It means all these people are not relevant enough to hold me accountable if I did anything wrong. What she is saying now is something different. Thank God, sir, you acknowledged that the last time she came, she said something different than what she's saying today. It has been different issues upon here and here. She will go out there and instigate hatred, lies against me. What this woman is saying about me, it is not the truth. In fact, it's just that people will say it's an in-law. I ought to have sued her, and which I believe maybe in order to vindicate myself from all the accusations she has been laying on me, I believe it's the right time I do that. Because she's saying something. The last time we came here, they blame her. The last thing I could hear was a broadcast. People were calling me on radio that she's making a broadcast to calling my name, that I harbored her child. And this her daughter, Miss Favour Oyewole, she's above 20. I never married her. She did not come to me. She cancelled the wedding because of contribution. She converted my contribution money for her own self. When it was time for me to collect the contribution, she conspired with her daughter that they should tell me lie. She is here standing. Owó mi kó fi ṣe nǹkan mi. Tí n bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ ọmọ yẹn kó sáré pààrọ̀ fún mi. Mrs. Oyewole will always tell her daughter, Miss Favour, that if she wants to buy anything worth 1,000, she should rather tell me lies that it is 10,000, and then the remaining money should be sent to her mom. And I have the evidence of how her daughter has been sending money to her. A girl who is in school, she's not working, she's not expected to be sending money to her mom. Her OPay, her statement of account will be printed in order to affide to the fact that I'm saying she has been sending that money to her mother. They were just exhausting my money. I have evidence to everything I'm saying, sir.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a trader, sir.
What do you trade on?
Like she rightfully stated, she knows one of my POS shop, and by God's grace, that wasn't the only one I have.
You have up to how many POS shops?
I have up to 3. And
After
I do
that?
POP.
Okay.
I do painting.
Okay.
Like-
The way you are spending,
That's the little, okay, sir. That is the little.
the way you are spending,
Yes, sir.
I want to know if the POS business is that profitable. I would have ventured into it immediately. Now that
You see, the thing is, what I'm spending is not really from me. My families, they knows, the little that knows, they know what it means to be with a woman, and they don't want her to suffer. Number one, considering her condition too, most times I go borrowing. Honestly, because of her, I want to make sure she is fine. Koma Daipe, look at your life. Look at this. Look at this. I am Mrs. Oyewole Yabode, sitting right here before me. We have once been friends. Where I can prepare egusi Igbo from my house, I will give to her. She will eat. Sir, you can confide this from her friends. Each time I go to visit her, I will get her drinks. Her friends are there. At least none of her friends knows me, but they knows me. Yes, because I was going there. I will always get drink for her friends. I've done. It's just that time could not permit me to say much, but it's a very long story. Because if she had the same allegation she's laying on me before now, I believe all the police stations she has been to would have taken a drastic action.
Okay, wait. Mama?
Yes, sir.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ohun tí ń sọ?
Gbogbo ohun tó sọ ọmọ pọ̀ gbátá. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbà wá láàyè, fóònù wà níbí báyìí tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo ohun tó sọ pátápátá, gbogbo ohun tó ń sọ yẹn irọ́ pátá ló ń pa o. Kò sí ohun tó jọ. Fóònù wà níbí báyìí gbogbo bó ṣe ń bú mi, tí ọmọ gan ń bú mi. Ní àná alánà, ní apẹtẹ níbí báyìí.
Bóyá torí owó àjọ.
Yes.
Ní àná alánà,
Yes.
ọmọ yìí wá pàdé mi ní apẹtẹ, òun àti ẹ̀ lápẹtẹ, kò sí ohun tí wọn ò fi mí dá ní àná alánà yìí, lánàá tọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. Tẹ́ bá wọnú tí n bá mú fóònù mi jáde ẹ gbọ́ bí ọmọ yìí ṣe ń bú mi. Láti ọjọ́ tí bàbá wọn ti kú, mi ò ní ọkọ mi o, àwọn ọmọ yìí ni mo dúró tì. Alátìgbà tó ti pàdé ìmá báyìí ní ayé rẹ̀ kò bí ó ṣe gbójú sókè lè. Ó wà níbí báyìí ó là gbọ́dọ̀ pé òun, ẹ̀gbọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ pé, àbúrò gbọ́dọ̀ pé, fóònù méjì síìmù méjì ló mú lọ, ó ti change nọ́mbà yẹn. Àárí ọmọ yẹn pé.
Emma?
Sir.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mú kinní bọ́sìtà kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ bí ọmọ ìmá ṣe ń bú mi, bóun náà ṣe ń bú mi.
Are you living with her?
Wait.
With this girl?
We don't. She's in school.
Wọ́n jọ kò sí school o, ọmọ ò lọ sí school mọ́, mo ti lọ páàkì ẹrù ní school, èmi mo gbalé fún ọmọ, mo ti lọ páàkì ẹrù, ọmọ ò sí school.
Sir, can you
láti
do
January
findings
ọmọ
about
òde school.
this?
Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo rìsíìtì olóhùn sanwó, ẹ jẹ́ kókó bọ́ta
She will
rìsíìtì
talk.
tọ̀dọ̀ mi náà lélẹ́yìí tí mo
At
fi
least she's an
sanwó, ẹ jẹ́
adult.
kókó bọ́ síta.
Mama jẹ́ pé sanwó méjì papọ̀ ń sùn.
Ẹ jẹ́ kókó bọ́ síta.
Mama ní receipt. Emma ní receipt.
She's
Where
an-
is your own receipt? Mama is here with her own receipt.
Her receipt she paid. When did she pay it? Ask her. When did she pay the money? Before bringing my receipt, every money I want to send, I send it to her. So let her bring her receipt, and when she ask her, you say Favour is in school. Since how long has she given Favour money?
Ṣé ọmọ tí ò wá sílé ni màá fún ní owó?
No, now,
ọmọ tó ní má pòun rẹ́kọ̀dù wà bí mo bá pè yóò máa ṣépèlé mi. Bí ó ṣe ń ṣépèlé mi ni yóò máa ṣépèlé.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pọ̀ sáà.
Láti ìgbà tí ó ti pàdé ìmá yìí láyé rẹ̀ ti pé iṣẹ́ méjì lọmọ mi kọ́ kò jẹ́ kó rí kankan ṣe. Fashion designer lọmọ mi kọ́ tó dẹ̀ mọṣẹ́ kò jẹ́ kó rí kankan ṣe, kò ayé ọmọ yìí kò jẹ́ kó lójútùú.
She will come.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká play pé kí ni o kẹ́ lè gbọ́ bí ó ṣe ń bú mi o, kí ọmọ máa búyà kẹ́ gbọ́ bí ìbànújẹ́ ṣe ń bú mi. Débi kó tún sọ lèmi lè mọ pa ọkọ mi kó sì wá sádùúgbò kó wá béèrè.
Lémi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo
ẹ mú
sọ.
voice record. Bring that
Nígbà
very
tí wọ́n
record.
sọ ò mọ̀.
I will sue you
Nígbà
to
tó
court.
sọ mọ̀,
I am telling you the truth. I
ọya,
will sue you for defamation.
kájọ kò ní so.
Let her bring that voice note when I said she
níbẹ̀.
kills her husband. Let her
Kò
bring
ní
it.
so níbẹ̀.
Where I said it, let her bring it. Here
Nìṣó
now.
níbẹ̀. Bó o bá sọ yẹn evidence tẹ́mi fi sanwó ọmọ lélẹ́yìn kó tiẹ̀ bọ́ síta bó bá tẹ̀ sí ní.
Wait, who share?
Which year?
Eh.
Béèrè máa béèrè lọ́wọ́
No, now.
2025 èmi mo sanwó ọmọ yìí.
Date.
Ó ní láti máa sọ lọ́yọ̀ pé òun lòun sanwó iye
Èló
àwọn
lẹ
rẹ̀.
san?
Ọmọ yìí ò lọ sí school
That she is still in
mọ́. Ọmọ
school
yìí ò lọ sí
wait
school
now,
mọ́ ní
who
mo
semester?
ti lọ páàkì ẹrù ọmọ nílé tí mo gbà fún ọmọ ò gbé school mọ́. Nísìnyí báyìí ọmọ mi ń sọ fún mi pé òun ti lóyún kejì. ní ọmọ tó wà ọmọ tó bí June 22 June 23 ló máa pé ọdún kan o Ọlọ́run ti lóyún kejì ó ti yọ ọmọ mi kúrò ní school nísìnyí báyìí.
It's all right.
Her daughter is still in school, sir.
ẹ lọ find out.
What she's saying is a lie.
And she's pregnant.
Her daughter is still in school.
And she's pregnant.
Maybe I've not been told about anything pregnancy. Maybe she can. She's here.
Ó wà ní first note tó ti record fún mi o. Ó wà ńbẹ̀ o.
Do you still want to marry her?
Well, the decision is between the both of us.
Who and who?
Me and Miss Favour Oyewole. But with all due respect, sir, I don't think a girl of her age can be taking a custody on with everything. If time permits us, she has paid Favour. How much has she paid for Favour institution fees and who share? And you calculate ever since that till now that no one has paid. Is she supposed to be in school? I have been paying.
Have you concluded with her family that paying of the school fees will stand as a dowry?
No.
You have paid her dowry?
I am not saying that because I pay her school fees, I'm married. No. She only comes whenever she needs. And anything.
You are not sure if she's pregnant or not?
That she has not.
That means the process that leads to pregnancy is taking place between both of you.
She has not told me.
Despite the fact that you are not in a good book of her mother. That her mother is not in your own good book as well. That there's a lot of discrepancy between both of you. You are still moving on with that daughter. You are less concerned. They are just making noise.
It is not, sir. Number one, let's consider the fact that she is having my kids with her. I mean the lady. And I cannot forsake her or deprive her of anything good she wants from me. I will always take care of her.
Because of your kids.
Of course. And secondly, like I rightfully said,
taking care of her should be based on that. Based on she's with your kids.
Of course.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So you should not proceed in having another one without settling with our family.
Well, having another.
If you see our family as a troublesome family, I think the best thing for you is to let her. The lady be. Let her go back to her parents and settle. Don't call their bluff and keep moving with their daughter without settling the dispute between the family and you.
Sir,
if you see them to be too difficult for you to deal with, fine. You should let their daughter be.
Thank you for your advice, sir. Well, however, in terms of letting her daughter be, they are the Human Rights Commission. There are people there. They can attest to this. I have never and I will never be in a position to struggle or deprive their daughter from going back to them. But if I want to get married, number one, I must love the person I want to get married to, no matter what.
And you must love the family as well.
I'm coming, sir. And I must love the family as well, which I have been showing to Mrs. Oyenike Yabode that I loved her. If she don't believe I love her, she will not eat the food I prepare in her absence. Ask her if I am lying.
Snacks ló gbé wá
fún mi ò gbé food. What if you have died in that snack? It's not food poison.
Tí ọmọ fi bímọ kò sí anybody tó pè mí, kò ní family bó ṣe wà yan mi ò ní family kankan tó pè mí o. Wọ́n tún bímọ kò sí enemy mi ò ní family kankan tó fi pé kí ni o kò sí kankan o. Mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo wá kò sí nǹkan kan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò sí family kankan tí mo mọ̀ yìí o. Nísìnyí báyẹn ẹ jẹ́ kí n play kẹ́ gbọ́ o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n play kẹ́ gbọ́ ohun gbogbo tó sọ o. Bó ṣe ń bú mi ló ń bú ìyá mi ló ń bú bàbá mi ló ń bú àti ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò gbogbo wa ló ń bú papọ̀. Èmi ò lè fi ọmọ fún ẹni tó jẹ́ ọ̀tá mi o. Mi ò lè fi ọmọ fún ọ̀tá mi.
Sir, I should be allowed to talk so as to make more clarification.
Excuse me, will you shut up?
Tá a bá ń sọ pé ọ̀làjú fa àkóbá fún àwọn ọmọ ìwòyí ní ẹ̀yà kan. Ìhà ibì kan ọ̀làjú fa àkóbá fún wọn. Ọ̀làjú yìí ó máa ń mú wọn pé àwọn èdè tó jẹ́ wípé kò yẹ kí alábíamọ kó máa fetí gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn ọmọ ọ̀sìn nítorí kò sí ìbẹ̀rù mọ́, kò sí olùbáwí, kò sí ẹni tó lè ṣe ṣáì sí àwọn ọmọ ìsìn. Àgàgà àwọn ọmọ tó bá ti dàgbà nísìn tó bá ti kọjá ọmọ ọdún 18 tí à ń pè ní 18 years wọ́n á ní àwọn ti wà independent, àwọn ti di grown up adult.
Ó di táìmù tó sọ̀rọ̀ ni a lè parí ẹ̀ láì jẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀ tó ti gbọ́. Ó yá bó ló ṣe jẹ́.
Yes sir, ẹ ṣé gan ni sir. Sir, I am a woman I am an adult. I am above 20 years of age. Tí mo bá fẹ́ fẹ́ ọkùnrin kan, kò kí ń ṣe pé mọ́mì mi ló máa fún mi ní ẹni tí mo máa fẹ́. I am the one that will bring a man of my choice. Kódà bó ṣe amúgbó gan sef ni mo bá mú wá fún wọn. Tí ó bá ti tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn láti gbé pẹ̀lú ẹni yẹn, it is final. It is of my choice. When I met with this man, it was 2024.
Go.
To buttress on some points.
Màmá ṣe gbọ́n tó máa sọ.
Mo gbọ́ ohun tó sọ ta.
Ẹ sì bímọ mi.
Mo kú bímọ mi, òun lẹ̀kẹta ọmọ tí mo bí nù. Àwọn 4 mo bí. Àwọn 2 jẹ́gbọ́n, òun nìkẹta. Ó sì tún ní last born wọ́n jọ wọ school ní the same time.
Padà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí o sọ yẹn. Kí n wò bóyá bó o ṣe sọ náà ló padà sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n sọ Yorùbá fún mi. Má torí pé o ti ń bá Ìgbò rìn, o ò lè sọ Yorùbá mọ́. Sọ Yorùbá.
Láti ilẹ̀ náà ni Yorùbá mi kò sì fẹ́ máa dán mọ́ wọn náà tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ máa
Tẹ́rí
fi
pé
sí
pẹ́yìn rẹ kó bọ́ mọ́.
máa
Ó
fi
lè sọ
sí
Yorùbá,
papọ̀
kò sí ní tó lè sọ Yorùbá.
máa
Tẹ́rí
fi
pé
sí
kẹ́ ẹ bá
papọ̀.
kọ́ Yorùbá ni ẹ rà sàkọ́.
Ó gbọ́ Yorùbá, ó ń sọ Yorùbá.
Ó yá sọ ogun tó bá fẹ́ sọ ń gbà yẹn máa sọ̀rọ̀.
So máa fi sí papọ̀.
Kò lè jọra wọn mọ́.
Nígbà tí mo bá ọkùnrin yìí pàdé 2024 mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ POS kan ni. So nígbà tí mo bá wọn pàdé, I was sick. I was having pains, so I just lied down on bench where I was working. Then he was passing. He saw my colleague pouring water on my head. Then he was passing. He saw that what happened. My colleague replied him that àwọn ọmọ kan tó ṣe pé maybe she's having pains. Then he took me to a nearby pharmacy, got me some drugs which I used, and it was very effective. Then later we started as friends. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi pé I should go and let my mom know that I have met a person. No. Then I told him that I cannot go, that mi tẹ̀lé lọ sọ fún mọ́mì mi nílé àtọ̀. He said that tí mi bá ti lọ sọ fún wọn lé pé àwọn máa fi mí kalẹ̀ mọ́. And I saw this man he is a father figure to me. His attitudes, his behaviors are things that I found in a man very, very okay. Then I went home. I told my mom that mo ti bá ẹnìkan pàdé o. She asked me that what is his name. I told her Johnson. She said that she does not like that name Johnson. Then I told her that ṣé orúkọ lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́fẹ́ ni àbí woman being lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́fẹ́. Why would you tell me that you does not like the name Johnson? She asked me that ṣé Yorùbá ni. Mo sọ fún wọn pé rárá pé Igbo ni. Wọ́n ní pé ó tẹ̀ ti bọ̀wọ̀ jẹ́. She was just being sentimental that night. Àwọn ò like Igbo, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo. That night she took me to my father's grave. She naked herself that night. She was crying. She was crying. She was like, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo, àwọn ò fẹ́ Igbo. She said that I should swear that I am going to leave that man. Mo sọ fún wọn pé I cannot swear. But later on, I left this man because of I just want to do her wish. I just want to satisfy her. I just want to do everything that is going to make her happy. I left the man that I love for her sake. Then at Iyaganku police station, they separated us. They said we should not move close to ourselves again, which we agreed. Then after 4 months, going to 4 months, the test result is here, sir.
Wọ́n bi ẹ́ léèrè pé ṣé o ti lóyún ní.
Wọ́n bi mí léèrè ní Iyaganku police station pé ṣé mo ti lóyún.
Sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Ìgbò tó fẹ́ gan sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Wọ́n bi mí léèrè ní Iyaganku police station pé ṣé mo lóyún. Mo sọ fún wọn pé rárá, because I did not did any pregnancy test. I did not know that I was pregnant then. Mo sọ fún wọn pé rárá. Eléyìí tí ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ tú wa ká nígbà yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn wọ́n sọ pé ká má move close to ourselves again. Then later nígbà tí mo padà rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ oyún ti wọ́, kódà mi lè lọ sọ fún mọ́mì mi gan sef nílé. Àwọn sísítà mi mo sọ fún, àwọn ọlọ́wà sọ fún wọn nílé. Wọ́n ní pé pé àwọn máa ṣe o, pé kí n má sọ fún Emmanuel o. Eléyìí tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé sọ fún. But later bóyá níbọ̀ wọn ló bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ àbí pásítọ̀ kan ló bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní pé kó jẹ́ kí Emmanuel mọ̀nà. Pé tí wọ́n bá kọ́kọ́ sọ fún Emmanuel, then later tí kò bá wá gbà o, then she can proceed with it. nígbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi wọ́n ní pé kí n máa gbàdúrà pé kí Emmanuel gba kíní lọ́wọ́ mi o. Lọ́jọ́ tí mo dẹ̀ fi máa pe Mr. Emmanuel náà, the first thing that Mr. Emmanuel said to me that day is that I should not terminate any pregnancy because abortion is a crime. It is a sin to God and it is also a sin to humanity. It is a sin under the Constitution of Nigeria that I should not terminate any pregnancy, that he is going to take full responsibility of me. My mom brought this man down to Oyo, to my place of residence. I have gotten an admission.
tó try láti sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀ sí.
Mo ti gbé admission sí Ọ̀yọ́ nígbà yẹn kí wọ́n tó separate èmi àti Mr. Emmanuel. Mr. Emmanuel was doing a contribution of 10,000 naira to me that time, because when I and Mr. Emmanuel he asked that am I a student. I said no, that I am searching for admission, of which I have been trying for some years now, that I have been failing. I have
level
not
ni
been.
mọ́mí ẹ̀ sanwó ẹ̀ dé.
Ẹ ṣé sà. Level tí mọ́mí mi sanwó mi dé, it was 100 level first semester, of which the money was 211,000 naira. The second part of the payment, it was my husband, Mr. Emmanuel, that paid that money.
Shut up.
Right now,
Shut up. Who is your husband?
this man.
He does not address you as his wife when he was talking here because he knew the right thing.
Sir,
It was Mr. Emmanuel. Don't say my husband.
sir,
What made you his wife?
sir,
Has he done? Excuse me. Withdraw that statement.
sir, with all due respect, sir, under the law constitution of Nigeria, a 18 years old can get married without the consent of my mom. A 18 years old can
Without
get
the
married.
consent of your mom.
A 18 years old can get married under the constitution of Nigeria, sir. With all due respect, I am saying this.
You are,
A
so
18 years old
excuse
can get
me.
married.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
òun kọ́ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ inú òde ló wà.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Half-baked. You are a total half-baked. You are ignorant of everything. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ ìsọwọ́ tó fi sí mú ó dẹ̀ rùn. Ó lè sọ pé o lè ṣe tó wẹ̀. Kí ló sọ yẹn di ìyàwó? Ṣé wọ́n bá yẹn sùn ló di ìyàwó ni? Has he done anything on you? Has he visited your parents? Have you received marriage blessings from your parents? And you are calling yourself his wife. And he's addressing you here as Miss he's addressing you as Miss Favor. He's telling you that he has not married you. And you are addressing him here as your husband. Are you okay?
Sir, with all due respect, if you say that, I understand, but I want to let you know that this decision is based on me. I have the right to choose a person I love, a person I want to be with.
Who said you don't have that right?
It is not my mom that will choose a person for me. It is I, Favor, that I am going to.
That you don't need the blessing of your parents.
Sir, you haven't
Say
let
that.
me conclude.
No. What are you concluding? Omori fún àwọn abiyamọ nulẹ̀.
Sir,
Excuse me.
tí ń bùyà pọ̀ rí rè
Omori fún àwọn abiyamọ nínú ilé. Ọlọ́run má ṣe ẹ́ lọ́mọ àbí ìpàbẹ́. Ọlọ́run má ṣe ẹ́ ní sọ bí mi rí. See the first statement you uttered here. I am clinical years. I have the right to do this. I have the right to do that. Ọlọ́run o, ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ̀mọ́ ni bímọ dànù.
àmì o.
Excuse.
you haven't let me
Don't.
engage
It's
in
okay.
conversation.
When
If
it is time for you
end-
to talk, I will tell you to talk. Quiet. I am not your mother that has no value to you.
Sir, with all due respect,
Gbà mí o.
sir, you have to
Òun
listen
gan
to
Will
kọ́ ló
you
ń sọ̀rọ̀.
shut up?
conversation.
I am not your mother that has no
Inú
value
lè
to
ló fi sí o,
you.
inú
Keep
lè ló fi
quiet.
sí o.
When it is time to talk, I will tell you to talk. Let me do the talking now.
I understand.
When it is time, I will give you time to do your own talking. Excuse me. And don't come between me when I am talking. I have my children, grown-up children, well-trained children.
Go on,
Excuse
sir.
me. What's your business? What's your problem? Ọmọ Yíbò wá bí jò ní. Ó gbé ọmọ Yorùbá. Ó lóun ò ní fún lọ́mọ yẹn. Ìyá rẹ̀ wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Ó láwọn agbọ́ ọmọ yẹn lọ ni. Ó dijọ́ tó bá wá sanwó orí òun. ìwọ jókòó síbi ìwọ.
Sir, with all due respect.
ó ní mi ò ṣe yóò.
I know if you do respect I don't need to do respect.
lórí
I am not listening to you now.
If I bring a man down to my mom,
I am not listening to you.
a man down
Favour,
to my mom,
keep quiet. I am talking. Shut up.
listen to me first.
I am not listening to you.
but
Shut up. I am not listening to you. I do not ask you to stand up from there. That means I'm coming back to you. When I'm talking, you quiet. When you are talking, I kept quiet for you. Excuse me? Reasonable people are listening to us at home. There are many. You understand? Don't treat me the way you would treat your mother, please. When you are talking, I keep quiet. When I'm talking, you keep quiet. I cannot be looking at you. Koma sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó lè má bí a máa sunkún sí wa ń bí. I will caution you on what to say. You can hear on this set. You have to withdraw that statement that is my husband. I will never take that. You will not continue this discussion until you withdraw that statement that he is my husband. Because he never addressed you as his wife.
Sir, if he never addressed me as his wife, but I am going to address him as my husband.
Not on my set.
Sir.
Excuse me, if you are not
man.
comfortable, you can stand up and go. Not on my set.
Sir, I brought this man. I am going to address him as my husband. I am still on this.
Excuse me.
I am going to address him as my husband.
Excuse me.
Then
Go back to your mother.
Then you have to listen to me.
Go and address her as your husband.
Yes.
Yeah. Orí ti wá pé. Tọ́ra ọmọ wa tọ́. Àbí máa bí ìpàbẹ́. Àbí so bí mi rí. Àwọn ọmọ wa dákẹ́ tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ tọ́rẹ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni wọ́n. Torí pé wọn àforí gbálẹ̀. Àwa ò ní gbà. Òbí ni wá. A sì fẹ́ jẹ wọn mọ́. Gbogbo àwọn abiyamọ tó wà nílé ló sì fẹ́ jẹ wọn mọ́. My dear sister, if you cannot withdraw that statement, you can take your leave. You are not here under any duress. Neither anybody put any word in your mouth. What I want to hear from you, I will never take it referring to him as your husband. Because what tó yẹ kéèyàn ṣe láti jẹ́ ọkọ has not been done.
Sir,
Excuse me. Your constitution you are proving. Have you been to court? Or to take her to the altar? Have you been to church? Have you done the traditional wedding? Tell me, nínú gbogbo tó lè mú yàn máa pè yàn ní ọkọ mélòó ló ti ṣe? Have you received blessing from your parents? If ìwọ ló lè rọ́kọ tó mọ́kọ tó wù ẹ́, you don't need your parents' blessings?
Sir, she
And I will ask you
to collect the blessings. She refused to collect the blessings.
Your mother refused to collect the blessing from you.
To take the blessings. I am the
It's your
one
mother that will collect the blessings from you.
I am the one that brought this man to her.
It's your mother that will collect blessing or you will collect blessing from her.
What is the reason why you think that I went to her at first that I have seen a man? It is because of I want to collect the blessings from her. I brought this man to her. If I did not brought this man to her, how will she be able to give me the blessings? I am the one that honored her. It is.
My dear sister, stand up, let me talk to you. Stand up.
arábìnrin tó bímọ fún kó dẹ̀ máa bímọ fún bẹ́ẹ̀ káwọn òbí kán dẹ̀ máa sọ̀rọ̀ ǹjẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀yà yìí wọ́n lè gba irú tí arákùnrin yìí tán fi ń lọ ìyá ọmọ.
inú ìdè ló wà o ẹ bá mi pe màánú kó bá mi tú ọmọ sílẹ̀ o ọmọ yìí ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ inú ìdè lọmọ mi wà o ẹ bá ń bẹ̀ Manuel kó tú sílẹ̀ o ní school ó ti withdraw ọmọ kúrò ní school o inú ìdè lọmọ mi wà o ọmọ mi ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti di ẹni àti ìyá àtẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò gbogbo wa ló ń bú papọ̀ ó wà lórí sẹ́ẹ̀tì orí mi ò pé ìyá ẹ̀yìn yóò ṣì ẹ̀yìn àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀kan wà ní Àbújá ọ̀kan wà ní Abẹ́òkúta
ìyá
ẹ̀wọ̀n bí ọmọbìnrin bó ṣe lẹ́nu belebele sí ìyá tó bí nínú.
Ọlọ́run ò ní pa òun náà.
ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní onílé ní lọ́wọ́.
ṣùgbọ́n yóò bá yín wà wọn.
àlejò náà dì sẹ́rù. ìyá tó bí ọmọ yìí gangan. ìhà wo ló kọ sí àwọn òbí bàbá ọmọ yìí.
tú ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀ núdè tó fi sí o.
wọ́n ṣáà ní tí bàbá bá kú bàbá ní ń kú.
tú sílẹ̀ o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó wà o ọmọ tí ó kì í sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ òun ló bó ṣe ti ọmọ yìí wọ́n fẹ́ mú un lọ láti lọ sùn gbowó ò lè rí ipa o tú ọmọ mi sílẹ̀ o tú ọmọ mi sílẹ̀ o tú ọmọ mi sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó fi sí o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè tó fi sí o abiyamọ ayé abiyamọ ẹgbà mi o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè o tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìdè o.
má the other side.
àní ìjẹ́ tó ní lánàá alánà ó wá bá mi ní lánàá alánà ó wá bá mi lánàá ní apẹtẹ.
Madam, ẹ mọ̀ gbọ́, when you are not on microphone you are not supposed to talk, that is noise. ó dẹ̀ máa serve as barrier sí original voice tó fẹ́ jáde síta. Because you are not ready to use the microphone, remain there or you go out of this studio. Let me talk to him. From your state, your tribe, all what you have done with this lady, has it made her your wife now? Favor is my wife. I married her legally, I married her religiously, I married her traditionally. Does that make her your wife now?
Sir,
confidently?
Sir, I don't understand. What is it have I done to her?
No. Those responsibilities you have taken. You take care of her, you paid her school fees. That's what I'm referring to.
I only do that maybe because I'm trying to be kind. Probably she's carrying my kids and all of that. And in addition to that, I want you to know, sir, that there's been a time where a marriage arrangement has been fixed by the mom.
But later cancelled.
She cancelled it.
Okay.
Because of her own selfish interest. So, if that be the case...
She cancelled it.
She cancelled it.
The wedding was not held.
Of course.
So, can we call her your wife now? See, you are a man. She's a woman. There's some mistake that a woman can make. You will have a defense or an excuse for. If a man make it, you will be disappointed listening to yourself. And your friends that are listening to you at home now and your family. I want us to know, please let us know if she's your wife now or you are still trying, you want her to be your wife or she's your wife already. Because the way you addressed her the other time sound
I have to address
reasonable.
her.
No.
Address her officially.
Mm-hmm.
I addressed her officially.
Is she your wife now?
I have to address her officially.
Is she your wife now?
So that is that, sir.
I'm asking the question. Is she your wife now?
Sir, I am sorry. I don't think. I'm sorry. I don't want to say more than this. I'm sorry. I cannot answer that question.
Don't deny her. You can tell me that maybe later I will do the needful, but now she's my wife.
Sir, I'm not denying her. If a friend of mine sees me and call you my friend, maybe because I want it. That is why a friend. I'm just for instance. I'm trying to use this as an illustration. So she calling me her husband. Probably maybe I've been filling that gap of a husband to her, and
maybe she wants it.
If you say so, sir. Mrs. I'm calling her Mrs. because it's an official place.
And Mrs. she's not your in-law.
She's Mrs.
And she's not your in-law.
She never addressed me as such, as one.
And you are not ready to do that as well. Because she's not your in-law now.
Maybe when we both are ready, we can address ourselves as a mother-in-law or...
Thank you. When you are ready. That means you guys are not ready now.
When we both, I and she are ready.
No, she's the one she's the one that is ready now. You see that? You are not ready.
No, I mean, I'm referring to mommy. That she never referred to me.
O ṣe wá ń pè mí mọ́mì lẹ́yìn o ṣe ń pè mí lórúkọ ni
mo máa ń pè ní mọ́mì
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o ṣe ń pè mí lórúkọ o pè mí bó ṣe máa ń pè mí o pè mí ní Níkẹ́ oyè wọlé oyè Níkẹ́ Ìyábọ̀dé bó ṣe máa ń pè mí nìyẹn kí ló dé pè mí lónìí pè mí bó ṣe máa ń pè mí.
kí ni ẹ fẹ́ kó pè yín kí lọ ọmọ yín ń pè yín.
mọ́mì.
ọmọ yìí ló fà ọ̀nà méjì lọmọ yìí fi kọ́ sí ọmọ tó ń gbọ́ràn láti ìgbà tó ti pàdé ọmọ yìí ní ayé ọmọ mi ló ti tọ́nu
àwọn òbí tí wọ́n bí arákùnrin tó jẹ́ bàbá ọmọ yìí tó ti dolóògbé ṣé ìyá yìí fi ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí ó fi lọ àwọn òbí ọmọ yìí tó fi lọ àwọn òbí bàbá ọmọ yìí débi tí wọ́n máa dúró nídìí bàbá fún ọmọdé àbí ìyá fẹ́ máa dá bàbá àti ọmọ àti ìyá ṣe lórí ọmọ yìí nìkan òun ló fa irú gbogbo irú ìwọ̀sí
àwọn ọ̀gá rẹ̀ wọ́n ní kì í sóhun ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
wàhálà favour ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
àfìgbà mo send the first note tó sọ ni wọ́n tó bìlífù pé favour lélẹ́yìí.
favour ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. You want to say something, Jare?
Sir, please, I want her to retract all the defamatory impression she has created. I mean, calling me all sorts of names. Yesterday she saw me, she was calling me, hey, Gbomo, lemi, ewoni, Gbomo, lemi. Is it a mistake that you took a girl from me? On that very day, sir, she abused me so much. Oh no, don't see the favor. You see favor, she can be so gentle, but most times it's just that I can't see everything here. If I gave her a phone. When after the separation, everything, even she was with my key in my house. I went to favor, give me my key, and she so addressed me in a way that I was so a bit like, you see, this is the same girl I've been with all this while. Okay now, in addition to that, I want mommy favor to retract all the statements she has made about me that I took custody of her daughter.
bẹ́ẹ̀ o ṣe rí nìyẹn o tó rà rí ọmọ pé bàbá dẹ̀ pé ọmọ first note wà níbí báyìí tọ́mọ ó máa fi gbé wa ṣe pé àwọn ní òde join gbogbo ẹ̀ wà nínú rẹ́kọ̀dù níbí báyìí o bó ṣe ń bú mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́mọ náà ń bú mi bó ṣe ń bú mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́mọ náà ń bú mi ohun gbogbo tí ọmọ mi ò ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti kọ́ ó ti ń ṣe ó wà níbí báyìí ẹ jẹ́ kí n play bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ o bó ṣe ń bú mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́mọ ń bú mi o machine ó ti ta machine ó ní àwọn tá a kó dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tí máa ṣe.
kí ni o fẹ́ kí wọ́n retract?
èmi ò fi ọmọ fún ẹ kì bá bí ọmọ mẹ́jọ fún mi ò fi ọmọ fún ẹ Sefini mi ò fi ọmọ fún ẹ ó jí ọmọ gbé ni mi ò fi ọmọ fún ẹ.
go to court and prove what you are saying. If you don't go to court.
o ní ìwọ nìyá ìwọ ni bàbá ìwọ lè gba ọmọ ìwọ gba ọmọ mi lọ́wọ́ tí mi ò ní nǹkan kan ṣe tí èmi ò fi ọmọ fún ẹ tí ẹni tí bá ṣe ọmọ ọ wà nínú dè mi ò fi ọmọ fún ẹ ọmọ ò sì jábọ́ látòdì ọ̀run.
ọmọ yẹn ọ̀nà yín rí.
ọmọ mi ọ̀nà mi rí.
ọmọ yín kọ́ ilé.
kódà ó ti gbé mi lọ sí àníkíní àtẹ̀mí àti ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọ tá a jọ lọ ó fẹ́ náà wá ní wẹ́fì àní secretariat.
kò sáà tí nà yín it's a very gentle guy. ọmọlúwàbí ni.
Sir, she is alleging me to have taken a custody of her daughter without her infantry. What I want to say is this: why did she call me? Is it that I did something wrong that I've accepted her daughter after a separation of nearly 4 months? Am I even supposed to do that? Because that is what is involving me here. She called me pleading.
irọ́ pátá ni November 2 sí January 6 ni irọ́ pátá ni irọ́ pátá ni irọ́ pátá ni máa béèrè 2 months November 2 sí January 6.
Mami,
please let me show the receipt. He say it's 2 months because I thank God when she started talking you said what she said last week Wednesday was different from what she said. She said 2 months.
kí lẹ fẹ́ báyìí.
mi ò fi ọmọ fún un mi ò fi ọmọ fún un mi ò fi ọmọ fún un.
ṣé ẹ mọ fẹ́fọ̀ ni.
bàbá ni mo jẹ́ sí wọn.
bó lẹ ṣe jẹ́.
bàbá ni wọ́n jẹ́ sí.
She said 2 months. That was the test of the pregnancy. Look at how many weeks. She said 2 months. Look at it. Please look at it.
2 weeks.
January pé kí.
She said 2 months.
2 months mo ẹsẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ January ni mo sọ November 2 lájọ lọ sí police station January 6.
ẹ má gbọ́ o bàbá kí lè fẹ́ sọjà.
dadi àwọn afẹ́yẹ kẹ.
ṣé ọ̀dà bàbá yìí mọ̀.
ọ̀dà mọ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ dadi ẹ gbọ́ tèmi sà kò fẹ́ nǹkan tó ń bà wá lẹ́rù ni pé ó ti lóyún mi ọmọ tó dẹ̀ gbé lọ́wọ́ ọmọ oṣù mẹ́fà ló ń tọ́ ọmọ yẹn mú
yàn lọ́wọ́.
ìmàánú sẹ́mọ̀mọ́lé ẹ̀.
Who is it to who are you to favour?
sẹ́mọ̀mọ́lé ẹ̀.
Who are you to favour now?
bàbá
sá
bó lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí.
That is it.
tí mo jẹ́ sẹ́fọ̀ bàbá ni mo kù fún wọn sà.
ṣé family wọn ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
báwo lẹ ṣe jẹ́ sí bàbá yìí.
sí bàbá rẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n ni mo jẹ́ sí dádì rẹ̀.
báwo náà ṣe bí yín léra yín nínú.
bí bàbá ọkọ wọn bàbá tó bí bàbá wọn àbúrò ni bàbá tèmi jẹ́ sí bàbá tó bí bàbá.
bàbá favour.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
sóò nìkan nìyá ẹ̀ bí ni.
rárá àwọn nìkan kọ́. ẹni wọ́n wà lóṣogbo ẹni tán bí tó jẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n sí dádì favour.
àbúrò ńkọ́.
àbúrò náà wà.
níbo làwọn wà.
àwọn àbúrò wà ní Òṣogbo.
kò sẹ́ni kankan nìbàdàn tó jẹ́ ẹbí bàbá favour.
tó jẹ́ ẹbí rárá.
ọmọ ọdún mélòó ń favour ńgbà tí bàbá ẹ̀ kú.
Please.
ọmọ ọdún mẹ́wàá.
ó yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀.
excuse me Excuse me. With due respect. Ṣégbà tí bàbá Favour kú sáwọn ẹbí bàbá Favour wọ́n dà yín nù ni àbẹ́yìn lẹ dà wọ́n nù àwọn náà dà yín nù wọ́n wá yín títí dè ní.
lẹ́yìn pé gbà tí ẹ̀gbọ́n fẹ́ ṣe wedding ta kò parí.
Wọ́n wá ó tán ṣé ẹ lè allow mi láti pè wọ́n ẹrù ìwúwo púpọ̀ o ẹrù tí Favour dì wá ìkéèsì ẹrù kékeré o kéèsì ẹrù tí mo pa bí amọ lẹ́rìn o Ọlọ́run tí ọba sì ti kọjá tí orí èèyàn gbé kódà kéèyàn má bá wọn ṣe èmi lè pè wọ́n o ká bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ o bóyá tí wọ́n bá kọ́ mi irú Emmanuel ti ń wò pé ó ti sọ fún Emmanuel pé ẹ̀yin nìkan náà ni ò lè jẹ́ pé wọ́n rọ́kùnrin ṣé bàbá Favour lè wà láyé kí Favour sì dà báyìí.
ara
kò ṣeé ṣe abẹ́ ò lè wà láyé kó dà báyìí so no matter what nítorí condition tẹ wà kódà táwọn ẹbí bàbá rẹ̀ bá pè yín tí wọ́n bá ṣẹ̀ yín ẹ jẹ́ ká pè wọ́n nítorí ayé ọmọ yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká pè wọ́n nítorí ayé ọmọ yìí tí wọ́n bá jókòó tí Favour bá yánnú kí bí gba màálù gbé mọ́ngòrò ṣé bí wọ́n ó sì lè irú eléyìí nìsín náà ṣé ẹni tó bá kù bí bàbá fún un ṣé bẹ́lẹ̀ yìí náà ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ní yọ̀ọ̀bẹ nìyẹn sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣàgbówó àjọ lọ́ọ̀rẹ̀ àwọn tó kù ọ̀ṣàgbówó àjọ tó wà àjọ yẹn bá ti mú yín tó bá ti kàn yín lábùkù tí ẹ jẹ wọ́n ní iyì kankan mọ́ àtọkọ àtìyàwó tí wọ́n pera wọn ṣé àwọn ẹbí wọ́n sa àwọn tó jọkùnrin tó kù bí ọ̀sà lè béèrè pé sàn gbowó àjọ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ wọ́n ò lè sọ wípé ọ̀kẹ́ o ọmọ wa ò fún lóyún kìíní o ó tún fún lóyún kejì o níbi o ti wá nílùú yín ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe é ṣe nu àwọn ẹbí rẹ̀ ń kọ́ ṣé ẹ ti gẹ̀tẹ̀ a lè mú wọn lámúwà ẹ jẹ́ ká pè wọ́n o ẹ jẹ́ ká pè wọ́n o eléyìí Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ òkúrú ẹnìkan kù yẹn o.
àmín Jésù.
Ọlọ́run gbogbo ohun tí Ọlọ́run bá fi rọ̀ nínú tí è padà wálé tí ọ̀dọ́ ọmọ ní ká mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́hùn màmá bàbá ṣé ẹ lè ṣèrànlọ́wọ́ yẹn fún mi.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà á lè ṣe sà.
àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ bàbá rẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
ṣé mo lè rí wọn.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
ẹ fún mi ní nọ́mbà gbogbo wọn kí n bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ kó náà tó wáyé pé yóò padà fẹ́ ni náà ni kó náà mọ̀ wọ́n tí ó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé kó mọ̀ jẹ́ ẹ̀yin nìkan ẹ̀yin obìnrin gbà míì ẹ kàn máa yọra yín lẹ́nu ni pé ẹ lè dá ṣe ẹ lè dá ṣe ẹ lè dá ṣe ẹ lè dá ṣe torí irú àkókò yìí náà ni torí irú àkókò yìí náà ni lóòótọ́ o àwa tá a jọkùnrin bóyá ìdílé ọkọ yín àbí nǹkan kan a lè ṣàwọn nǹkan kan tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó lóòótọ́ ìgbà míì kan gbogbo èèyàn ṣe é bá wí bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹrù kálukú lè kọ́lọ́nkọ́ sànù wa tí kálukú ń bá fà ó lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo tó bá jàbí ìjà yẹn kéèyàn lè jẹun ọmọ èyí ti pa àrùn ọmọ lọ skul mo lè dọ́mọ mi náà lọ skul mo lè dá ṣe léè fún àwọn nǹkan kan tún kù tá a mọ̀ nílò wọn fún tájọ jókòó tájọ sọ àti èkó àdẹ́yìn ẹnu yes ní jókòó pé look èmi ni wọ́n bí lé bàbá Favour èmi ni wọ́n bí bàbá Favour lé this is what I want tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn ènìyàn bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ bí tá a bá jọ sọ̀rọ̀ kì í ṣe pé wọ́n wà bàdàn wà bẹ́lẹ̀ yìí àti ilé wọ́n pàṣẹ kán máa bọ̀ lóṣogbo tí wọ́n wà ní ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ jókòó pé nǹkan tá a fẹ́ nì nǹkan tá a fẹ́ nì nǹkan tá a fẹ́ nì so ìyẹn ni mo rò pé ó yẹ ká ṣe báyìí because
Sir, she disowned me. She said she is no longer my mother at Ojongodu police station when I gave birth. That she caused the issue between I and my husband. I was suffering. My husband left me for a few.
Oh, I don't want to hear my husband. Undo me. Legba. Well, if you want to talk and refer to this man, call him by his name. If you cannot do that, I will not listen to you.
Okay, understand me, sir.
Thank you.
He left me for a few weeks at Ojongodu police station when I gave birth. that she caused the issue between I and my husband. I was suffering. My husband left me for a few.
Oh, I don't want to hear my husband. Undo me. In Legba. Well, if you want to talk and refer to this man, call him by his name. If you cannot do that, I will not listen to you.
Okay, understand me, sir.
Thank you.
He left me for a few weeks at Ogboninun police station. They called her. That Favor is suffering, sent this to her. She said that she is not my mother. That right now, I myself, I don't know her. Because she denied me.
Okay, you are denying her publicly now.
Sir, the Favor that she raised up, she has killed that Favor. Sir, you have to listen to
Mommy,
me.
no. Repeat that one. Joko, go let's see Mike. Oh yeah.
Sir, at Ogboninun police station, they called her from the station that Favor, she is suffering. When he left me for some weeks, they called her from the station. She said she told those policewomen that she does not know me, that she is no longer my mother. She told those policewomen that. Those policewomen had to reach out to him from Ibadan. He came all the way from Ibadan down to Oyo that day. She told them that she does not know me, that she is not my mother, that thank God I am not the only one that she gave birth to. Sir, the Favor that she raised up, she has killed that Favor. Right now, I don't longer know her. I don't know her. She said that she's no longer my mother. Right now, I don't know her. Sir, when I was pregnant, in fact, he has been the one always advocating for her that I should try and reconcile with her. Sir, there are many things that has gone wrong between I and my
Favor.
mother. Sir, she was supposed to be my mother.
Are you using this medium to disown her as your mother?
Sir, I am using this medium that I don't know her. I don't know her. Even after this station, I am going to go to the court of law to put a restriction of 50 years that she must not move close to me. Again, she must not move close to me. I am going to go to the court of law to put a restriction of 50 years. She must not move close to me. Sir, at that station, she had to be telling them that, thank God, I am not the only one that she gave birth to. That if I want to die, I should die. That I am not the only one she gave birth to. Sir, many things has gone wrong between the both of us.
It's all right.
It's
all right.
Sir.
It's all right. It's all right. See, this place is different from marketplace, schools, your community. This is life. Why? Are you telling me you mean that statement or you want to retract it?
I am not retracting it. From the police station, I can make a call.
Are you telling me you are using this medium? You are using my microphone to disown your mother.
She said she is no longer my mother, that I am not the only one that she gave birth to. If I want to die, I should die. I went home visiting her at one night. After 11, she dealt me with pregnancy, chased me out of the night after 11 at night. She chased me out of the house at night.
Did you know the shame?
Sir,
you brought
she came to the radio station
to your mom
she came
by getting pregnant that time when she said she doesn't want you with him. Do you think she will be happy that time?
Sir.
Excuse me, babe, Favor. Oh, I'm not begging you not to. I would just advise you to save this program, because nowadays I think Facebook have changed their policy. Once it is how many months? Once it's 3 months, you cannot see the videos again. You cannot retrieve it again. Please, when you get home, download this particular show. Cut your part of it. Save it. Keep it. This woman, the 50 years you are talking about, she might be alive, she might not. So whenever you remember that somebody brought you into this world, just watch the show and say, thank God, I've done the needful. Mama?
Yes, sir.
Would you be able to see your father's family, or you don't want to see them?
Sir.
If I tried all my possible best to bring them down to Ibadan, would you be able to sit with them, or you don't want to sit with them again?
Sir, my father's family never disowned us. My daddy's elder brother, the one I know, sir, this man standing here is nothing. He is not part of our family. He is our neighbor. He is our neighbor, nothing but a neighbor.
All right.
The only man I knew as my daddy's elder brother, because my mom shielded us from them. She never wanted us to be part of them. She would always tell us that there is a curse in that family, that they did not always go past 50 years, that they always die past 50 without reaching 50 years, that we should not move close to them. That my daddy elder brother, I can tell you how many times he came down to Ibadan. There was one particular time that I remembered that he came down to Ibadan.
Because of my time, will you be able to sit with them? Since they have not offended you and you are ready, will you be able to sit with them?
Sir.
So that at least if your mommy is out of the game, even this man will know somebody to relate with in your family, even if he wants to do the needful.
Sir.
Or what do you understand what I'm saying? Or you don't understand? That you are looking at me like Furadinunu or Dikaiko.
Sir, I give the honor to my father's family. They never offended me. In fact, they accommodated me. They accommodated me so much.
Do I go ahead?
So I can meet with my father's family.
Thank you.
I can meet with them. But if I'm meeting with them, what is the issue that you want to discuss with them? Because the reason why I honored this invitation is because of the allegations she laid on my husband. She laid because of the allegations she laid on him.
Mm-hmm. Not Emmanuel. Call her name.
He did not abhor me. He did not abhor me. How can you abhor a woman of over 20 years? He did not abhor me. He did not kidnap me.
Favor. You don't ask me what I want to discuss with them. Your mother is not comfortable with your relationship, and you don't have any issue with your father's family. Can't I go ahead? Do you know our father's family? Do you know them?
I've not met with them once.
Don't you think it's good to do that?
Sir,
if you made up your mind to marry him, you need somebody to
spoken with
Sir,
some
we
of
were
them
to
on phone.
go to Oshogbo. The time she fixed the wedding, we were to go to Oshogbo.
Hey, that time has gone. Favor, I still have some people that are coming on set, please.
Sir, if it is based on this issue of I will meet with my father's family, but the issue is
It's all right. Thank you for giving me the go ahead to do that. I will do that anyway. Stand up.
But sir, meeting with my father's family, I don't want.
You don't want her to be there?
I don't want her to be there. I don't want her to be there. Like I have said before, it is just because of you do not permit me to say things that has gone wrong between the both of us.
You will say it. You will say it. Don't worry. You will say it. Might not be now. You will say it. Stand up.
And finally, sorry, sir. Favor, you made some statements. You said, I don't know. I want everyone to know that it's a personal decision. You saying you want to go to court and collect a restriction permit, give to your mother, but left to me, it is not the best. She can criticize me now till then, but left to me, it is not the best. Like I've always said, if you have anything personally against your mom, tell her, and I want to believe she should be able to listen to you and then settle things amicably. But if you think that is the best thing for you, fine. But to me, whatever I'm doing, I like you. In fact, I love you so much. That is why I welcomed you back, even though I'm not supposed to do that.
Thank you. See, that one you will discuss with her later. You know you talk a lot, so you can talk to her. So, stand up, please. Mama, Ejoko. Yes, ma. Erikwe Monlagun. Mama.
Yes, sir.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò yanjú o. Ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ listen sí àwọn family bàbá ẹ̀ náà. Mo ti rí àwọn ibì kan tẹ́yìn náà kù sí o. Mo ti rí àwọn ibì kan tẹ́yìn náà kù sí tó jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ bára yín bí o. Mo ti rí àwọn ibì kan tẹ́ ẹ kù sí o. Ẹ̀kọ́ ńlá sì ni ètò yìí. Kò dẹ̀ tí late láti ṣàtúnṣe. bọ́ọ̀ lọ́n fẹ́ káwọn àtúnṣe kan kó jẹ́ títúnṣe gan lọ́jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yìí rí báyìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o ẹ fún mi ní nọ́mbà àwọn fámìlì bàbá ẹ èmi fẹ́ pè wọ́n. She's not ready to go.
If she's not ready to go, and then they should stop telling me go with her. This girl has been with me since. Oh, why are they painting me bad?
Kí ló ṣe àbúrò rẹ ló ń fẹ́ ni òfin lóyún kejì wọn á sọ fún mi pé kí ni kan.
They can go. They called me, sir. They called me.
Hey, leave me to do the anything. Don't ask me anything now. You guys should go and leave me to do my things the way I love doing it. What we need is results. Madam, ẹ fún mi ní number. You guys can go. All of you calm down.